What's up, everybody?
What's going on?
My bad.
We just keep going.
Alright.
What's going on? It's AP, IAMFIT.
It's your boy Bams from Bams Vegan.
We getting ready to do a little meal for y'all, man. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Let's go.
Yes, sir.
So what we got here, man, we're gonna make a grapefruit smoothie, aka a super smoothie is what I like to call it, man. The reason I call it a super smoothie is because this smoothie right here is gonna help out a number of things. It has a bunch of, it's loaded with antioxidants, loaded with fiber. So you're gonna improve your digestive health. You're gonna be preventing internal disease, cancer. You're gonna be improving your heart health. And it's a number of other things as well, man. You're gonna be increasing your metabolism, especially right here with this green tea. Make sure you brew your tea first, all right? Brew the tea first, and then what you wanna do is go ahead and enter in your banana. So I got one banana. Everything is frozen, by the way, because we know we don't want just a liquidy smoothie. We want a real smoothie. It needs to be some kind of thickness to it. About a cup of pineapples. You drop that in there as well. All right, and then we got the grapefruit. What we're gonna do with the grapefruit is gonna use half of it actually. And of course it's frozen as well. Just drop that in there. We kind of got it stuffed in here a little bit, right? All right. So we may or may not need the ice because it is frozen already, so we'll see as we, chop it up, let it come down some. And then we're gonna pour this green tea in here. Now, you don't have to pour the whole thing. You can pour just half of it if you like. Just a little bit, depends on the thickness that you like your smoothie. If you like yours real thick, don't put so much. If you like yours to be a little bit more loose, then put more. It's up to you, it's all in your preference. So we just gonna test it out, see where we at. Now that we got the fruit chopped down some, because as you can see it was a lot, it was hard, it filled up to the top. So now we can actually add in some of our spinach here. With the spinach, you just need like maybe a handful, not even that really, just a little bit. And I'm just gonna stuff that in there. And I'm actually gonna add in some of the ice because as you can see it's a little bit liquidy, right? So I only got 3 cubes of ice here. That's greatness right there. Check that out. That's perfect right there. It's perfect. If the fruit was a little bit more frozen, it'd be a little bit thicker, but I like that. So, this right here is a perfect smoothie you can have, for breakfast, in the morning besides drinking a coffee, which is extremely high in caffeine. But if a lot of people add a lot of sugars into it, this right here, you don't have to add anything into it at all. Everything is natural.
A little bit of olive oil.
Yes, sir.
Beans!
Gotta go get the cocoa butter popping.
Nigga, life be reflecting off my kneecaps. Alright, man. So what's up, dude?
What's happening, man? So as y'all just saw, man, we just did the super smoothie, or just the grapefruit smoothie. If you want to keep it nice and simple. Bam just did the vegan chili, sweet potato chili. I said that right?
Sweet potato chili, yes sir.
Yeah, man, that thing is smelling amazing right now.
I still smell it, man.
Dude.
I can't wait to show y'all.
Man.
I can't wait for y'all to try it out at the crib.
Yeah.
It's gonna be nice, man.
I can't wait to try it. It needs to hurry up. Nah, but anyway, just to go back on that smoothie that we just did, again, like that's something that you can do real fast on your own. I literally pay for all those ingredients. It's just $5 on the dot, basically. Maybe like $5.30, something like that. But $5, everybody got $5 they can spend throughout their week.
Yeah.
And you can have that, that was 2 servings. So if you don't want 2 servings, just put the rest in a little bag or something, put it in the freezer, take it for the next morning.
Speaking on funds, man, the sweet potato chili, I spent 99 cents for the beans, 40 cents for the sweet potato, a couple seasonings that we're gonna go through later that y'all should always have on deck. So once you buy those, you ain't gotta worry about it no more. Then I spent 30 cents on the onion, and then you can get quinoa for under $2. So you literally got a meal for a couple of days for under what, $6-7, like AP was talking about. So it's cheap, man.
Go to the store with $12, you can come out with a whole 2-3 days of meals.
Easy
right there,
money,
man.
easy money.
That's crazy. Shoot. But now, a lot of like my clients, they come to me and they ask, what I know about the vegan diet or plant-based diet. And me not being vegan, I can only give them what I hear.
For sure.
So one of the main questions they do ask me is, how do they get started?
The easiest way to get started is first and foremost, throw out temptation. Yeah. If you still got meat in the fridge, if you still got eggs, if you still got dairy, use it up, toss it out. Because in order to be successful at this type of diet or a lifestyle, you have to build success around yourself. Yeah. Like you can't go vegan and still have pork chops in the fridge because you're gonna, what I'm saying, you're gonna give into temptation. Yeah. Second thing I can recommend is get with like-minded people. So if you're telling people you're going vegan and the only feedback you're getting is, "Why you can't do that? That's hard." If you constantly get negative feedback, it's gonna make it harder for you to do it. Yeah. So get around people who support your decision. Make sure that they support you 100%. They show you the works. Join some groups on Facebook. Yeah. Join some social media groups that who are real big on the vegan lifestyle.
Keep you educated.
Keep you educated, man. And then that's another thing. Third, do your own research. So make sure you solidify a reason as to why you're doing it. Like, don't do it because it's a trend. Don't do it because somebody else say you should do it. Do your own research and figure like, okay, I'm going vegan because I can relate to this topic, and this is why I went vegan, not why somebody else said I should go vegan.
You gotta have a why.
You gotta have a why.
You
gotta have a why anything you do, man.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. That's great. You was talking about that, just saying all that. It made me think about how in fitness, it's temptation to
everywhere.
Not want to work out. When you don't want to do something, then you got somebody next to you saying, "Hey, let's just go do this anyway." You got to be around like-minded people.
Got to, man.
Get rid of all temptation. Yeah. That goes into people. Get rid of temptation, man. Get rid of temptation. Some people just ain't gonna want you to do something because it takes away your time from them.
For sure.
And then, your temptation as far as like what you got in the kitchen. You want to get abs or you want to lose weight, but you got all these snacks and stuff in there.
It don't work that way.
I'm a snack person myself. My wife would tell you it's ridiculous. I can't go without eating something, but I just don't buy it and I don't bring it to the house. So if I do have it, it's out somewhere else. So I come home and my diet's more strict that way, But I like that, man. Then what next thing with the vegan diet is, what kind of benefits have you seen from it personally?
My personal benefits, man, because me and AP, we did track and field.
Yeah, man, UTA.
Yeah. So I was in lethargic running track. Yeah. But I didn't have an urge to work out because I knew how tired I'd be. So I never really liked running miles. I hated running miles. I hated the maverick mile. I hated running, period. No, that's how I became a jumper. But now, since I went vegan, man, because I have a dog, I can run 2 miles with my dog and I'm straight. Yeah. So energy levels are there. I had acne that cleared up. Whenever I wake up, I'm not heavy. I feel better when I wake up. My mind is clear. It's just a lot of benefits because I cut out a lot of meats that weighed me down. So Just clarity, man.
Yeah.
That if I can describe it, one way is clarity.
Clarity
For sure.
physically and mentally, huh?
Physically and mentally, man.
That's dope.
And I feel like my body's not a graveyard anymore.
Yeah.
I don't have to keep dumping dead bodies on it, man. So it's
Yeah.
not even just thinking about the death of animals that's going in, anybody, man. It kind of takes us, some stress off the shoulder.
Yeah.
You ain't got to worry about killing innocent animals, man. That's the biggest part. Because a lot of people are like, especially when they go vegan, they're like, I just want to do it for health.
Yeah.
Caring about some fucking animals, man. You know what I'm saying? So even if you don't go into veganism for that reason, it's gonna come because you're gonna be a more conscious human, man. You're gonna start, really dictating and really paying attention to what's going on around you. So
that makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
And see, I know for myself, like I'm not vegan, but I'm also not against any plant-based diet.
For sure.
I actually went vegetarian a little bit last year for a couple months, with my wife.
Yeah.
And what it did for me was, of course, I dropped a ton of weight, which I didn't like personally, but I definitely did feel better. Like I noticed I wasn't bloated ever. Man. I was never bloated, man. And when I stopped being vegetarian, I started throwing meat back in.
Yeah.
I noticed there were times where, even now, still to this day, I'll hit points where I'm like, I don't want any meat.
Yeah.
I'll just have a day where it's like, you know what, I just want vegetables today.
For sure.
So we'll make a veggie meal, and I wake up the next day feeling complete. I feel good.
I think the thing that we have to realize is some people have a stigma to the word vegan, like it's a plague. So they just because I think some vegans give the term vegan a bad name because a lot of vegans try to force their lifestyle onto somebody.
Right.
It doesn't work like that. I only use the term vegan in my business name for marketing purposes.
Yeah.
Like if I talk to anybody, I'll tell them first and foremost about a plant-based diet because the plant-based diet is you get your fruits, veggies, nuts, legumes, beans, whole grains, but you minimize meat products.
Okay.
So even if you're somebody who can't completely eradicate meat products, plant-based, you can still use that term, but it minimizes it.
Yeah.
So you're not excluding anybody because a lot of people, especially when you go up to them and start, preaching a vegan diet, they're gonna automatically look at you
scared, man.
Yeah, I would never force my lifestyle on anybody. That's not
good,
not the way to go. So I'll tell people more about plant-based than vegan.
Yeah. And I like how you said that about your brand. Because even with me, for IAMFIT, I am fit, and I've had people look at me and be like, "Oh yeah, you are fit." I've had people think I'm doing it to be arrogant, but I'm not. Because by no means would I go around saying I'm fit. You're not.
Oh, for sure.
No, exactly. So what IAMFIT is like being comfortable in your own skin, like understanding that you already are fit.
Yeah.
What are you fit to do? I'm fit to lose weight. I'm fit to build muscle. I'm fit to do this. I'm fit to do that. And it goes outside of fitness and everything. So it's an affirmation of
affirmation.
I am. Just putting it out there into the universe, man. Let people know, taking that statement.
For sure.
Because when you do let somebody hear it and you do say it out loud, you hear it yourself. It becomes a goal, man. It's something that you have to do, and that's what I like. That's what I like about Bands Vegan, how you put that in there, man. The food he's putting out, y'all gotta go check it out, man. It's crazy. It's ridiculous.
It's only more to come, man. I'm telling you, it's only more to come, bro.
Yeah, man. We're gonna do more videos. IAMFIT, we're gonna do more videos as well. We'll be putting out, a different meal you can try out here and there. Not all of them are gonna be vegan. Not all of them will be veggies. It's gonna be a mix of everything. Even just how I did a smoothie. It might just be a drink or something like that you can have, or a snack. Like a yogurt plate or something like that. Anything. So if y'all have ideas of meals you would like to see us make, go ahead and put a comment down there, and we'll brainstorm. We'll put something together. All right. Anything else you want to say?
Y'all continue to be beautiful. Continue to prosper. Drink your water. Do your push-ups. Be nice to somebody. It reciprocates, man. Just live your best life, man. Just continue to be you. That's all I can say, man. Continue to be you.
All right. Let's go check out this meal, man.
Yes, sir. My boy AP.
What's going on? Bands Vegan. Cold with it.